Simply put, everything you will see, including this beautiful lobby, is only possible because of you and because of others in the legal community who embrace the project. Firms, alumni, friends throughout the country.
We felt that the opportunity to name one of the two courtrooms was the perfect celebration of Mike's legacy, and to share with so many students now and in the future the joy of arguing their cases in a modern, professional courtroom.
One, two, three, cut the ribbon. And now, the Kevin R. Boyle Courtroom. 1, 2, 3, reveal. And everyone direct your attention down here for the J. Michael Hennigan Courtroom.